Hi everyone, I'm Jeremy Lanig from Step Eikaiwa, and today I'm at one of my favorite Sanuki Udon shops, Ichimi Udon. Today I'm going to try to break a Guinness World Record to eat the most udon noodles in 3 minutes. Let's try. Hello everyone, thank you! Today I'm going to try to eat as many noodles. I think we have about 2,200 grams here. And he drops those noodles into the bowl. Wow, that's a lot of noodles. 2,269 grams of udon noodles. Okay. Wow, this is about 10 bowls of udon. Can I eat all of this in 3 minutes? Let's try.
3, 2, 1, start!
Itadakimasu! Wow, that's a lot of noodles. Okay.
I know what they mean, Sanuki Udon can't be beat.
10,
It's fast and
9,
good, it's
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ah, thank you. Here we go. 1,154. Thank you.
Alright everyone, I think we should sing it together now. But maybe we should practice first. Alright, repeat after me. Kakezaru